Today, Charitha is going to swatch for us unique polishes from international brands available on our website. This is the shade Mythical Love and it's a chameleon flaky topper. And right away we're getting started with one of the best selling polish brands that we have, which is Penelope Luz. To get the most out of this flaky topper, we are going to use a sponge to apply it on the base polish. So here we have applied 2 coats of a really deep black polish in the base, and once it's dry to touch, we're going to take some Penelope Luz polish on the sponge and dab it on the nails until it is covered completely. Look at that majestic shift. This amazing polish shifts from gold to a subtle green and then a deep pink to a purple. I mean, just look at how stunning it is. The next one we're going to show you is from the iridescent collection of Born Pretty. This is a smooth sheer polish that has a subtle golden sheen to it. Apply 2 coats of this iridescent polish on your nails, and once it's dry, top it off with a glossy top coat. The next one we have has party written all over it. This is a reflective polish from Born Pretty in black. This is a very opaque polish, so you don't need any base for that effect to come through. Apply 2 coats of this polish and switch on the flash and look at the magic. Reflective polishes are a recent invention in the nail art world. It has a luminous finish that sparkles like diamonds and will put on any of your glitter polishes to shame. The last one from this series is a brand called XDanceSky in the shade 132 Illusion. Coming all the way from Russia, this one is a chameleon polish with holographic shimmer inside it. Apply 2 to 3 coats of this polish to get an opaque look, or you can also apply it over a black base to make it shine further. This chameleon polish shifts from purple to blue. That's all for part 1 of this video. Comment below if you want a part 2, and you know where to shop, ILMPypolish.com.